Hey everybody. Anybody out here ever run into this? You get this little M112 shutdown thing and your printer stops working with the Octoprint that it's running on. And so the only way you can get through that is to, of course, reset it. At least that's how I do it. But if you throw the switch, it's not gonna stop because you got this little power cable coming from your Octoprint thing. So you have to pull both of those to reset it, and then it'll turn back on, and you have to flip that switch back on. So let me show you how I fix that. Now what you need to do is delicately slice into the cord, exposing the 4 wires that are inside. Your machine doesn't need power, your machine needs data. So what we need to do is open it and find the red cord. The red cord provides power. You just got to be really gentle here. You don't want to accidentally slice into any of the other cables. So you isolate the red cord, snip it in 2 places so that you don't accidentally short or get connection between the two, and then just kind of pull it. It'll kind of go back, and there you are. You're done. And now, when we go to switch it, turns up, turns back on, and this can stay on the entire time.